Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x plus y, this is equals to 4, xy, this is equals to 16. Here we need to calculate the value of x and value of y. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Here we have two equations and two variables. Here we will apply substitution method. Look carefully, equation number first, x plus y, this is equals to 4. Now here value of y in terms of x, then 4 minus x. Now look carefully, equation number second, x times y, this is equals to 16. Then x and this y is replaced by 4 minus x. So here 4 minus x and this is equals to 16. This x is multiplied by 4 minus x. Then here 4x minus x is multiplied by x, then here x square, and this is equals to 16. Now look carefully, left hand side coefficient of x square is negative. So first here we will make coefficient of this x square is positive. So if we multiply both sides minus 1 and right hand side is also multiplied by minus 1. In left hand side this minus 1 is multiplied by 4x, then you will get here minus 4x, and this minus 1 is multiplied by minus x square, then here plus x square, and this is equals to 16 is multiplied by minus 1, then here minus 16. Now look carefully, left hand side first if we write x square and then write minus 4x, and this is equals to minus 16. In left hand side x square minus 4x, this is equals to minus 16. If we add both sides 4, then in left hand side this expression is perfect square. Look carefully, here we will apply middle term split. X square minus 4x is minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, and this is equals to minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. In first two terms, if we take common x, then x square divided by x, then here x minus 2x divided by x, then here minus 2. And here if we take common negative 2, now minus 2x is divided by minus 2, then here x, and plus 4 divided by minus 2, then here minus 2, and this is equals to minus 12. Here x minus 2 and here x minus 2. So if we take common x minus 2 here, then you will get x minus 2, and this is equals to minus 12. Now x minus 2 times x minus 2 is x minus 2 whole square, and this is equals to minus 12. Now here we will apply this rule. If a square, this is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus a square root of b. So here if we apply this rule, then you can say x minus 2, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 12. So in left hand side x minus 2, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 12. Then x minus 2, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 12 is same as square root of minus 1 into 12. Then x minus 2, this is equals to plus minus, and this expression is square root of minus 1 into square root of 12. Now x minus 2, this is equals to plus minus square root of minus 1 is iota, and square root of 12 is same as 2 times square root of 3 times iota. So here value of x is equals to 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. We have two possible values of x. First value of x is equals to 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times iota, and second value of x is equals to 2 minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. And here value of y is y is equals to 4 minus x. Here y is equals to 4 minus x, and here y is equals to 4 minus x. Then y is equals to 4 minus x is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Then y is equals to 4, and this minus is multiplied by inside the bracket, then this is minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Then here value of y is 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. So here first solution x comma y, this is equals to value of x is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times iota, and value of y is 2 minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Now solve this case. Y is equals to 4 minus, and this x is replaced by 2 minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Then value of y is equals to 4, and this negative sign is multiplied by inside the bracket. Then this is minus 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. Then value of y is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. So here second solution x comma y, this is equals to value of x is 2 minus 2 times square root of 3 times iota, and value of y is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times iota. This is first solution and this is second solution. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.